I Archana Oinam, I English ki Ozan. In the last class, what we have seen, we have somehow got some idea of how dinosaurs look like and how do we get so much of information about dinosaur ka. Dinosaur information kamaina kangino, dinosaurs kamaina toge, kamaina masak kamaina toge have hypet ugre ka. Hypetan, you have seen it very clearly that some are very big, very big, and some are somewhat bigger than a cause, bigger than some are somewhat big, some are very big, that we have seen. And some of the dinosaur are flesh-eating dinosaur. Some live on plants or leaves of trees or plants. Then we have seen that the rarest of a dinosaur fossil is the dinosaur egg. Quite tangba, quite rare or batang na pangba dinosaur fossils karino dinosaur egg tuniko. That we have seen. Now the remaining classes we are going to see the types of dinosaur and how they disappeared. Dinosaur makhal kya sui amasung dinosaur kamaina mangrino, how they disappeared from the earth planets they kamaina mangrino habada adoko yengsi ko. The first dinosaur, types of dinosaur as classified according to your textbook. The first dinosaur is Brontosaurus. 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 So be careful of the spellings. Brontosaurus dinosaur. Types of dinosaur. First type se. What is the meaning of Brontosaurus? Thunder lizard. Thunder. You know the meaning of thunder. Thunder kangi ko nong kongro dang achat padako. When they walk, when they take a step, the earth might have shook. Thunder lizard. So Brontosaurus is also known as thunder lizard. Why is it called thunder lizard? Because it is very heavy, too heavy. Even the earth groaned under its weight. Dinosaur types of dinosaur ni ko magi physical feature na kamai taw masak kamai taw kani magi mai masak se kamai taw man small head makok ti yam pi. You might have seen this and I'll go to show you a picture also. Picture se ko yeng si ai jasu utke aduga no ko yengu ko kai man ge do small head masadi yam chawi ko makok ti picture ne long neck. Mangakse kyam sange kusang mangakse long neck, small head, long neck. Elephantine body masase chowdra kuchaw ne mai masase ko so big as I have told you. Nakoida mamang dasu I have already mentioned in the beginning. Mamang dasu high gre ko elephantine body tokimatik chawe ba mai masase and long tail. Its tail is also very long. Sangdra yengu ko pictures de yengu sangdra yengu. Where do they like to live? Kadai de laiba pami. They like to live in water, in rivers and swampy areas. It is believed that Brontosaurus that they sit in the water the whole day. They stretch their neck and then they eat whatever is available, because once they get up, they find it difficult to sit down. These are just some additional information which we get while watching movies or reading articles or reading journals. They are not able to move, and so they sit in the same place in a swampy area, and then they stretch out their legs and their neck, and then they eat whatever they want to eat. Now they live in water in swampy areas, and what do they eat? They eat plants that grows on the bank of lakes and rivers. Magi jagado daiduda magi anakpada hauba plants and leaves which means Brontosaurus is an herbivorous dinosaur. Manama sing chaba dinosaur amaniko Brontosaurus as I have mentioned, they are very big. Yamna chauba dinosaur amaniko. Next, the next type of dinosaur is Allosaurus. Allosaurus, Allosaurus dinosaur. Now this dinosaur is the fiercest dinosaur of all. Quite a dinosaur, and it is a carnivorous dinosaur. Yamzu sathi aduga carnivorous su oyeba, means they live on flesh eating animals neba sanga chayeba. And how fierce is it? Kamu yamna sathi ge that it can kill and eat a dinosaur. Dinosaur mabu hatlaga chathokpa ngammeba. Adukki matik kalleba. Allosaurus haiba dinosaur se ko. Look at the picture. Pictures the yango adum sathiram dau mandra. Physical feature the 12 meter in length. Meter trying to sange, and it weighs 2 tons. Got 2 tons weight lumme haya. Adukki matik lumme ko. Next we have the third dinosaur. A very it is one of the most mischievous dinosaur. What is its name? Tyrannosaurus Rex. Look at the spelling. Tyrannosaurus. Tyrannosaurus Rex. It is the largest carnivore. One is the fiercest. Allosaurus is the fiercest. Tyrannosaurus is the largest. Atukimatik chauba carnivorous dinosaur niko. And no animals can challenge it. Animal amtana challenge. This Tyrannosaurus Rex, when you look at films like I have mentioned before, Jurassic Park, you can see this. You can see a depiction of this particular dinosaurus. Right now we are seeing the picture, but when you look at the films, you will get an idea of how it looks like. Physical feature, how heavy or how tall this dinosaur was. It is 15 meters in length, 6 meter tall, and it weighs 7 tons. The fourth dinosaur is the Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus. It is a very gentle dinosaur. It is harmless. It doesn't harm anyone. Yam tumina lezaba dinosaur ni mingonda asokpa piba dinosaur natte, and it is harmless. It is very gentle, and it is a herbivore dinosaur. It lives on plants. Sanga chadaba manamasing chaba type of dinosaur ni ko. Now, Stegosaurus has a significant body feature. Magi tonganda body feature amlay. And what is it? It has a shield-like double plate of bones on its body. Mahaki masasidane. Shield ngaktok pa ya man kanoma ka ngaktok na ba put amakak palip. Komagi masasa is a palisi uraba makspina yukhalaga palisa. It is a double plate of bones. Because harugi double plate neba smile on genera pale ba magi manangan sida palisi ure ko shield neba shield di ko ngaktok na ba chunggoy do ko adugumba shield ama makungonda mangonda pale. Why? Because the purpose of the shield is nothing but for protection from carnivorous animals, especially carnivorous dinosaur. Pali ba mangonda pali ba shield ze magi masagi mananganda sang na pali ze kay gino hangbra. Carnivore dinosaurs in mangonda attack taropa matamda, or carnivorous animals in mangonda attack taropa matamda ngaktok na ba neba. So Stegosaurus has this shield on his body to protect itself from carnivorous animals. The fifth type of dinosaur is the Diplodocus. Diplodocus. Diplodocus dinosaur. And this is the largest herbivorous dinosaur. The largest dinosaur that lives on plants and leaves of trees. Dinosaur ni. It is 28 meters long. 28 meters long, and it weighs 10 metric ton weight. 10 metric ton. 10,000 kilogram. 10,000 kilogram lummeba. 2 adult elephant kalumma mane. Its weight is somewhat similar to 2 adult elephant, as I have mentioned in the first part also. Diplodocus sekayamuk yamna lumge have about 10,000 kilogram. 10 metric ton haragadi 10,000 kilogram lummeba ko roughly estimate wa matamda aduga koina sum yengba matamda when we just want to see how heavy it is, just imagine yourself that a Diplodocus weighs weight is equal to the weight of a 2 adult elephant because hamu ani punjan bagi weight to chap manai ba. And don't forget that this dinosaur also walks on all four. Makong mari magta chatli masama mari magna chatli aduga it remains mostly in water ising da number matam da lay. Now the last dinosaur that we are going to read we are going to study from your text is Plesiosaur. Plesiosaur haiba dinosaur sini Plesiosaur. Plesiosaur haiba dinosaur se where does it love to live? It lives mainly in the sea. Cause samudra ta namba matam da laye. Its body is like that of a tortoise. Tortoise male, thengu male ko. And it has a snake like neck. Mga samda snake daw na sangi. And it can swim. It has a feet old magi feet tuna, it can swim with its feet magi paliba makong duna mahakse iroi ishing the iroi bangam. So we have seen how many types of dinosaur? 6 types of dinosaur, all different. Got Brontosaurus, Allosaurus, Tyrannosaurus Rex, Stegosaurus, etc. etc. We have seen this type of dinosaur. Some are carnivorous, some are herbivorous, some are very big, some are somewhat big, some are not so big. Some love to eat leaves and branches of trees. Some live on water, some live on sea. Because we have seen different type of dinosaur. This animal existed 180 million years ago from today. 180 to 100 million years ago. Why is it not with us now? What happened to them? They have gone extinct. Why? Because they are now extinct. Extinct, what is the meaning of extinction? Extinct hoy badi kai no mangre. Not living a single trace. Macha mabo kari ko bida thamam dana mangre. It has disappeared all of a sudden. Pungang mangre. Now this, why? How? This is the question. Katawi mangi ba? Kamay na mangi ba? No one can give solid proof. Kanam ta na proof pi bangam deba. Even scientists na bo hai bangam deba. How they disappeared? When they disappeared? Why they disappeared? Mangre kay daw bagi karam kanda kamay na kanam ta na hai bangam deba. But somehow scientists believe that they disappeared because they could not adapt themselves to the changing climate. They could not adapt themselves to the changing environment. Environment se honga eba. Climate change tawre environment honga e. And they could not adjust. Makoy adjust to nga magtre. Moine charamba makoy their food habit suddenly disappeared. Maybe this is also a possible, like it's not solid proof. Solid proof na te ko maybe what they ate was not available. Makoy na charamba do pangdawagi, it led to starvation. Makoy se chak lam na na chaningay later na makoy se chak lamaga siba. Kungay mo yoramba yay. Or some scientists even say that dinosaur had underdeveloped brain. Makoy brain se pi hai. Aduna mayam ga manadaba aduna changing environments they say that they could not adjust. So we all have we have to know that because of the changing environment, changing weather, then changing conditions of the planet. Ko planet ki ahong mayam sina. And dinosaurs could not adjust. Dinosaurs adjust to bangam dadana. What happened? They disappeared without leaving a trace. Makoy mangre, makoy extinct oikre have a cinema koina. Musigi lessons is the koina yengi se kwa. So don't forget, dinosaur disappeared. They have gone extinct. Pura mutkrabani ko, suklai leitrabani ko, because they could not adapt to the changing planet. Honga iba planet se da makoy adapt to bangam de have a statement se kauganu ko. So this is all we know about dinosaur. Dinosaur gi maramda this is all we can talk about. Si mangari koina na kogi lessons the base toraga on the basis of the lesson kogi lesson da koina naina do si neba. Now don't forget that dinosaur once existed. Matamama the dinosaurs se leirami. They ruled the earth. Prithvi se moina palami. They roamed the earth freely. Prithvi ko chalame freely. Then what happened all of a sudden? Kaidore? They disappeared. Mangre. Did they leave a trace? Thamambra koi kamay mangino harambra? No. Without leaving a trace, they disappeared. Just like we have another example, the dodo bird. Picture seeing ko dodo bird se asisuna. They disappeared without a dress ko makhoisu karigum of the thamam dana mangre so sumaina tauraga nature is very unpredictable my dear students nature have a prakriti have a unpredictable ni ko khangde ko ngasi kai oini hayeng kai oini khoi khangde today there may be full sunshine the next moment we may experience rain nusa pasan sarambado hale nong jam jam tarak pa yai so this is nature see nature ne unpredictable ne it is beyond human understanding or human comprehension mi hoi ba khoina khangba ngam ba nate ko sum leiram ba se khangong dana you what happened khangong dana earthquake tor ka ton prithvi se thak thak nik to ne so this is the law of nature never the nature will not announce that I am going to give you an earthquake today I ngasi luhar hadori haibrane haide ko aduna unpredictable ni we cannot understand nature akoina nature je koi khangba ngamde we have to learn to live with nature ga phasana ning thizana ko leiminna ba koi tamba tabani who knows the next species the next group of animals to be extinct from the planet might be men kanang khangni next extinct oi is akhoi oiramadi kamai tongni so we have to learn to live with nature gi changing course se ga akhoi leiba tam doini ba kanang ani akhoi ju mangrati akhoi ju live without leaving a trace akhoi mangadi kamai tongni so let us read this lesson and try to understand that nature changes, course of nature changes. It is unpredictable. It's beyond our understanding, beyond our comprehension. So what is the most possible, the best way to stay, to live? The best way to live is to read, to study, and to be good humans.